Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to book flight ticket in Air India. So here, the first thing that you should do is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to type out Air India. Okay, so just type out right here, Air India. That's right, and then you have these results. So make sure to click on the second website. Okay, and you'd be redirected to this page. Now, the next thing that you should do is you have to sign in or sign up for an account. So just make sure to click on this option at the top right. Okay, and then right here, you have to sign up for the Maharaja Club. So you can earn 1,000 bonus Maharaja points and joining the Maharaja Club. You can get a Maharaja points when you fly with Air India and our 24-star Alliance airline partners. You can also earn points with the Maharaja Club partners, redeem Maharaja points for flights and upgrades, and get access to 1,000 plus lounges, extra baggage allowances, and priority services. So make sure to click on the sign up option. Okay, so after signing up, you can now book your flight. And here, as you can see at the top, we have the search flight option. We have manage booking, we have checked in, and then here you can check your flight status. So for the checked in and flight status, you have to tap right here booking reference or your ticket number, and then together with your last name so you can check it. Okay, now let's go ahead and search for flights. That's right. So here we have one way and round trip ticket. So for this one, I'm just going to select a one way ticket. That's right. And then the first thing that you should do is to select your departure date. Okay, so right here for the departure date, maybe on August 30. That's right. And then if you want to add a return, you just have to click on this one. Now you just have to type it right here, the place or the country that you're flying from. That's right. So I just have to type out right here your country. So make sure that the country is here. That's right. After that, you just have to select it. And then next one is the country that you are flying to. Okay. So for example, India. I'm just going to tap it right here, India. That's right. So, for example, we have here the Delhi, India. So I'm going to select this destination. Now, right here, let's proceed to the passenger details. So we have for adult, children, and infant. So you just have to add the number of adult, children, and infant right here. Next, we have here the cabin type. We have the economy, premium economy, business, and first class. So you just have to select your cabin preferences. So I'm just going to select economy for this flight. And then if you want to pay by cash plus points, or just points. So for example, we are just going to pay by cash, and then if you want a concession type, if you're a student, so you can also click on the student option. Okay, now for the promo code, you can also add a promo code to add a discount. Now click on the search option after typing out those important details for your booking. Okay, so now they're getting everything ready for you. So the page is loading and you'll be on your way in just a few moments. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds right here. Okay, so let me just check it again. Okay, so right here we have now the available flights. Okay, so we have here the available dates at the top. So if you want to change the date, so you just have to go here. Now, right here, we have 6 flights found for our trip. So we just have to select our flight. Okay, so here for the economy, we have to pay for about $602 for this one. And then for the business, it's about $1,274. Okay, so it depends on the available date. Okay, and then if you want to view the flight details for each available flights, you just have to click on the view flight details right here. Okay, so here we have this itinerary, right? So from Metro Manila to Delhi. Okay, so you just have to scroll down to see the full details of your flight itinerary. Now we just have to close this section, and then if you want to get this available flights, you just have to simply click on it. That's right, and here we have the value, the classic, and then the flex. Okay, now I'm just going to select this one, but I suggest you choose the recommended flight. Okay, so this is the fare type that we are going to use. And then for the benefits, we have this details. Then for the classic, we only have 30 kilograms for the checked-in baggage. Okay, you can earn points, minimum 2,700. And yeah, after that, you just have to click on keep classic, or you want to select the flex. I'm just going to keep the classic. Okay, so right here, just have to check the specs right here, and then I just have to answer this captcha. Okay, so I'm just going to select everything that I see on the picture and click on verify. Okay, so let me just do it again. That's right. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds right here. And then after that, you have here now the passenger details. And for the passenger details, this is the second step on booking this flight. You have to enter the passenger details right here, like everything. Okay, and then after that, you can now proceed to the review and payment section. So you just have to type out your payment information. If you are using a card, then you have to input the details of your card. And then once you are done, you can now get this booking. Okay, so again, for the info, we have here fields with an asterisk are mandatory to fill in. So you have to take note of that. And then you also need to provide your full name as given in your valid travel document. So for more information, you can click on this link right here. Okay, and then make sure that the contact details are correct as well, especially your email address, because that's where they are going to send the booking confirmation. Okay, and then after that, you just have to click on confirm, and then I can now proceed to the review and payment section. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.